What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at YOBYBO. These here are a brand new set of headphones that are possibly the thinnest on the market yet. Now they're going after the AirPods, so living it up to that name itself is quite high expectations. And you've probably seen this on Unboxing Therapy where you just kind of briefly demonstrated it, but here we'll be talking about it in a little bit more terms of detail. So first off, you kind of get it just like this. It doesn't really come in a box since it is technically a prototype, but it has this cool looking like bronze case, almost like a pod. And then as you kind of rotate it about, you'll notice that on the back here there's a charger port, so just go ahead and plug it in directly into the wall, and that's about it. Now this here itself is a charging pod, or you can technically charge your YOBYBOs on the go. So the way it works is quite interesting. So you just go ahead and open it up like this, and it's got that peekaboo effect where you can actually go ahead and see the headphones displayed in there. And then inside here you'll have like a nice, almost like a jewelry setup here where you can go ahead and just simply pick it out just like that and put them in your ears. Now, in addition to that, as we're looking into this, you'll notice that it shows L and R. It's got blinking lights demonstrating that it's trying to connect to your phone or the Bluetooth device. And in the middle here shows 3 indicator lights indicating in terms of the battery life. Now, upon taking it out, you'll notice that they're very thin. You can see that right there. It's like crazy, crazy, crazy thin. And the unique thing about that is you barely feel it at all. It's almost like a featherweight in terms of headphones go. So you just kind of plug them in just like this, and within a matter of seconds, you'll hear paired, and you're ready to go. Now, in terms of the sound quality goes, I did try them out for quite a bit, and I hate to say it, they're not to par to AirPods, mainly because they lack bass. But there is one draw side to that. You actually have to tilt it just like this and kind of hold it down, and then you'll hear that nice bass sound as it produces. So just kind of a bit drawback in terms of the design goes, but again, it being a prototype, I'm sure they'll come out with something even better in the future. Just go ahead and plug them in just back on there like that and close the case, and yeah, just go ahead and take it on the go. So yeah, there you guys have it. This here is the new thin headphones by YOBYBO, and not exactly sure what the price will be, but you can go ahead and check them out on their campaign starter page down below. And with that being said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.